So we've just made it to Nui Bay. We're now at Monkey Bay. Good morning, and today we are in Phi Phi and we're heading on a boat tour. Let's get into it. We're exploring the whole of Phi Phi, Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Lay. The tour is a whole day tour. We actually come onto the island without anything booked, and we went directly to a tour agency called Explorer Tour and Travel. The lady name there is called Cha Cha. She is really nice and she told us everything about the island, where we should go even when we're not doing the boat tours. We are going to be leaving literally in about 5 minutes time, and we'll see you guys on the boat. Hello.
You want to go Maya Bay first or Bamboo first? Maybe go Maya first, yeah?
Yeah. So we've just been picked up and we're on our way to the boat now. Yeah, getting quite excited now. We're going to Nui Bay first. And it's only just recently opened, so it'll be really good to get there. Hi buddy. In total for the tour, how much did you pay? 3,500 baht, and then for Nui Bay you have to pay 400 baht per person. So in total, we probably, with the national park tour, it's probably going to be around about £110-ish. But we've got a private tour, so it's literally just me and Rayna, so we're heading to Nui Bay first. So I've just made it to Phi Lagoon, and it is very windy today, which we didn't really realise, and the waves are huge and the boat is literally like this, and it's pretty petrifying, to be completely honest with you. I feel like I'm going to throw up. We're going to head to Nui Bay, which is around the other side, and hopefully there's less waves around there. But yeah, maybe if you're going to come and do this tour, make sure you don't pick a windy day, because my heart is beating out of my chest at the moment. I feel like I'm going to die every single second a wave hits us. Made it to Nui Bay. You have to pay 400 baht per person for a foreigner to get into the national park, which is about £10. This place has been shut for a good number of years so that they could clean it all up and get it all ready for tourists to visit again, because there was so much trash and it had been so badly damaged. So many people would come here all the time. So yeah, we're just on our way now to see what it's all about. This is honestly one of the most prettiest places I've ever been to in my life, and you can understand why it becomes so popular with tourists at the time. The sand is incredible. It just feels so nice. The water is so turquoise. It's amazing. It's definitely worth it. I mean, I've risked my life today to come here, and it's worth it. So we've just come to this really nice little beach, and it's opposite Nui Bay, which is over there. Our boat's parked here, and we snorkeled from here all the way to here. Some of the fish that you see, they're humongous, and they're like fluorescent blue. Sorry, I've got salt water in my eyes and it's stinging my eyes. Apparently there's sharks around here. We haven't seen one yet, but not massive. They're like baby sharks and they don't bite you. So hopefully we can see one of them as well. But I've done snorkeling before, obviously, like around beaches and stuff, but I've never seen anything like this, and it's just, yeah, it's incredible. So we're gonna swim back now. Nui Bay is over there. We got there early. Look how busy it is now. Look how busy. It's so busy now. We got there early, so if you're going to come early because it's definitely worth it. We're now at Monkey Bay. I don't know why I've still got my life jacket on. But we're going to be here for 40 minutes. Whilst we've been here, we did a little bit of snorkeling, and there is like hundreds and hundreds of sea urchins everywhere. So you need to be careful when you're snorkeling. You know, the last thing you want to do is get stung or get pricked by one of the sea urchins or the jellyfish. This beach is incredible. Nui Bay was definitely my favourite place so far. Yeah. The waters, look at this. You can just see, it is just so clear, it's incredible. Bamboo Beach is included in our tour, but we're not going to be going there today because it's so windy. But yeah, so far so good, really enjoy ourselves. Number one monkey. Melvin and Marvin. So we just made it to Nui Bay. There's a couple of people in our bay having a photo shoot at the moment, so we can't go back on our boat. So this here is Nui Bay. We just come to just had a quick snorkel and it's absolutely amazing. We've just been feeding the fishes here as well, and they love a bit of pineapple. What's been your favourite bit so far?
This snorkeling.
Yeah.
The one that's
So this is Sun, and he's our captain for today. He's been a really good captain, so if you're going to come to Phi Phi, make sure that you come and see Sun. This is it, our final stop of the day. We're at Nui Bay, and I'm just gonna have a nice chill one. We've been in the water, did some snorkeling, and now we're just relaxing before we leave back to go to the dock. But overall it's been a really good day. If you're gonna come to Phi Phi, make sure you come to do these tours. She's having a time of her life. That's it, that's our last stop of the day. We're now going to head back to the mainland and get back to the hotel and get cleaned off, but yeah, what an incredible experience. And as I said, if you come to Phi Phi, make sure you come and do one of these tours. They're incredible. Thank you. Captain Cup. And we're back on land. Thank God. Dry land, yeah. Overall, the whole day was just amazing. I think I've said it probably about 5 times.
Overall, Craig's a tomato and I'm a beetroot.
We was meant to go to Bamboo Island, but unfortunately we couldn't go there because the waves were so bad. To be honest with you, it didn't bother me one bit because Rayna was laughing at me, but I was like holding on for dear life because I was so scared that the boat was just going to go whoop, because it was literally like this.
Yeah,
so obviously normally like this, but
yeah,
it was literally and then sometimes you literally it looked like you was going to fall into the sea. I could basically just stick my head in and get a drink if I wanted to. It was absolutely incredible. Coming to Phi Phi, make sure you do a tour. It's one of the main things to do on the island, and you can see why, because it is just incredible. Really enjoyed today. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well, and we'll be doing a couple of other things whilst we're here in Phi Phi, so make sure you keep an eye out for them videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.